Alrighty, guys, Pee-wee's Lawn Care. Just got on another product review from a well-known company, Hipa. I had this weed eater. I was pretty much gonna give up with it. Well, I've given up on it. I've tried other carburetors. They worked in the past. I know Hipa has sent us some carburetors. I don't think I ever done a review on this one. But this is a carburetor for the SRM225, and it's pretty much they give you two air filters. Comes with the carburetor itself. It comes with two extra gas bubbles. Then it comes with the fuel lines and the fuel filter as well, and then comes with a new Hipa spark plug, and of course the gaskets. I'm not sure where these go, but I mean they should be pretty much plug and play. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this one. It's been sitting maybe for about a month. I couldn't get it to start anymore. We do use it a lot. Like I said, I was gonna give up on it, so this is a last try. Hopefully it works. And this is, like I said, also a product review for their carburetor kit. This is like pretty much, I think, like $15. So instead of buying a new weed eater, that's $250. We're gonna try and fix this with this carburetor. So let's see. As you can see, the bubble doesn't work. Carburetor thing's messed up too. I mean, not the carburetor, the choke thing. But we'll work with that. Like I said, it doesn't work. Let me go. So, taking out the carburetor, as you can see, it's pretty gunky. And like I said, I haven't changed this carburetor in forever. I think it's the original one. No, you know what? I did change it. Well, as you can see, it's all gunky. So it's pretty much just two screws, and I don't even think. But yeah, this one does have the gasket. But like I said, we'll go ahead and put this one. Simple. Just take the old one off, put the new one in. Get a little screwdriver to pry this open and put that as well. And yeah, I think I might pressure wash it. I'm not sure, but like I said, we'll try to see if it works. All right, so I went ahead and cleaned all the parts. This was the old NGK spark plug. This is the one that Hipa provides for us in the kit, and I took out the muffler as well just to clean off that. And yeah, like I said, it's pretty simple. This one pretty much just put it here. Like that. Put it here like this, and pretty much just sit it on there, and then put the carburetor. Let me go ahead and do all that real quick. All right, we got the spark plug in, got the new carburetor in, got the new air filter in. I'm gonna put some gas and let's test it out. All right, so this is the first time. I already primed it, and let's get it. I took off the little muffler, so it's a little bit louder, but need a little bit of adjustment on the carburetor, but I mean, for $15 instead of spending at least $200. I think you should give them a try. Like I said, it's Hipa. I'll put the link down below.